Kelly's going to do a demo.
This is history, guys.
Okay, I'm actually going to try and show two different things. One is our delivery system that we've developed for our learning modules. We have a total of 108 that we've developed over the last 10 years. And this is an installed client that we've developed. And it loads, but it's web enabled, so it loads everything that we have from our web server into the teacher. And there's a teaching version, and then there's a student client as well. And basically it just shows everything that we have available across the curriculum. And I just want to say we are in the classroom, we sell to teachers, and we also sell direct to school. You can look for activities by standard. You can do search by keyword as well. There's an entire student learning, tracking system in progress that the teacher can come to with reports. She can build assignments with this. I'm just going to run through this really quick, but we have, let's see, so I'm going to go into Look, Listen, and Speak. It's organized by curriculum area as well. So basically what she does is she can use this for small group or whole class instruction. She can also use it for individual instruction. If I were to load, and what we've done is we've developed this so that it has a install client instead of a web-based tool, because if the internet goes down or the network is having problems, the learning doesn't stop. So we made sure that it was installed, but it's constantly updating. It's also used as a sampling tool, so anything new that we have that is delivered, she logs in and it's automatically available for her to sample. Every learning module includes 3 days for trial before it turns off. So let's go into one of these. So that's a little bit about our learning system. It also has a student dashboard, so with the student version, it is actually installed on a PC, a Mac, Android device, and an iPad. The teaching version is only available for PC and Mac because it's just too robust. It requires too much memory for the smaller devices. And we're thinking about developing a smaller sort of hybrid version for the iPad and tablet devices that only includes the ability to build assignments. So I'll just go back. That's our delivery system. I'll go into a little bit about our product. My job is to take over 30 years worth of content that is reproducible workbooks and sort of reimagine it for this space. So I'll show you some of the things that we're doing. This is one called Look, Listen, and Speak. It's a survival vocabulary app. We live in Monterey, California, which has a very large Hispanic population, and one of the reasons why Evan-Moor was started was because a student came up and told Joy, the publisher, that his paw hurt. So he didn't even know the name of his hand. So we have different environments. This is survival vocabulary in the context of learning environments. Is this how audio? There's the classroom, the office, the library. The student can come in here.
Student.
We can click on different objects within the classroom. They also get
Checking out a book.
objects.
Computer.
They can click on different icons, listen,
Computer.
record their voice. Computer. They can listen to it.
Computer.
Computer. Hear it with the teacher voice, save it, and it saves in the environment now.
Computer.
Computer. It also includes a story. We include one story, but you can also create a story. So if you want to have if you have a dual language classroom, you can do the story that we've included. You can level it down, you can level it up, you can do it in Spanish if you like. And then we have some chants and songs that use the same exact vocabulary that they've learned in those environments. And then we included 3 games. Our instructions, we tried to make our instructions, the UI as simple as possible, because one of my jobs, if you can't understand how to use it, then we haven't done our job.
The desk is near the whiteboard.
The modeling for everything.
Number 1, is at the beginning.
So we give modeling.
Number
for each one.
3 is in the middle.
But my favorite game that we have in here is the speak part, and again, it's voice recognition, so I'm about to do what's had to go through. But so you choose an environment. All of these objects, these are planted objects, and we decided to include planted objects within this environment, just to eliminate that sort of fear of white space. And this is targeted at third, fourth, fifth grade. But you can click on any of these icons, on these objects. You can listen to it.
Easel.
And you can summon it. Easel. And it should put it in there. So it'll put it in there. And I can resize it. I can flip it. If I had gone through the first 2 games, so we do have achievements, but what we've done is the achievements are actually, I'm in at school, we have at home, my community, keeping healthy. So the achievements are actually vocabulary words from any of the other learning modules. So, like I was working in keeping healthy, and it's talking about science content vocabulary. So I got an achievement in at school of the heart. So you can build an environment using other objects that you've actually won in. And then once you finish, so it, all right, well, if anybody wants to know any more about what this is, but they can share this, save this. Okay.
Wrap up.
No, that's it.
Want some feedback? Any thoughts? Any comments or questions? Oh, sorry.
So this is browser-based, and what technology are you using in the browser?
It's not browser-based. It's an installed client.
Okay.
Then but it's loaded up the modules from our web server. So the teaching version that I'm looking at, which is only for Mac and PC. The student client, which is this one, the student has a very different experience. They only see what the teacher has assigned for that particular piece. And this is available on tablets, iOS, Android, Mac, and PC.
And then, would you like lasers?
Sure.
Okay.
2.
Classic custom management?
2.
2?
The concept of the delivery using delivering all of the modules in science to the installed client, and the decision that we're waiting on to go with it.
Okay.
Portable.
So a scale of 1 to 10, delivery method, right? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about their choice of delivery method?
Looks like trending right in the center, a central tendency. Scott?
I see a heavy 7 in there.
And then the lasers out, we got one more. Second one in this.
And look this is
What is the second question?
look this is the actual content.
So the last one she showed with the speak and the speech recognition.
No, we're all
Good. Thank you.
All right, thank you.